Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of June 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.96. Let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 41.59% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 38 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.09% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated within a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 116.34% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 108.99% and 132.39%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 42.47%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 95.40% to negative 42.49% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $1.24 and $15.55. Our latest daily update for SOX includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for SOX. The SOXL ETF price gained approximately 0.558% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025. The price rose from $26.88 to $27.03. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 6.26%, with a day low at $26.50 and a day high of $28.16. This price has experienced ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 0.95% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 14 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 100 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.71 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $44.76, while the lowest price was $7.23. Currently, the price is 39.61%, or $17.73, below the 52-week high, and 92.85%, or $351.21, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. The semiconductor sector is gaining significant momentum with recent developments in legislation and technological advancements. In mid-July, the passage of a major bill is expected to enhance investment into semiconductor stocks, encouraging traders to consider leveraged options like SOXL, which offers threefold exposure to this sector. This renewed interest follows the surge in demand for technology solutions and artificial intelligence advancements, positioning SOXL as a potential high-upside play in the short term. Moreover, the launch of Grok 4 has signaled a new wave of growth driven by artificial intelligence, further solidifying the semiconductor industry's role. While SOXL presents a tactical opportunity, it is essential to remember that leveraged exchange-traded funds are not ideal for long-term holding due to inherent volatility and risks during market corrections. The current bullish sentiment, combined with technical indicators suggesting price strength around $25, paints an optimistic picture for SOXL in the near term. Investors are encouraged to look at strategic options like bull call spreads targeting higher price levels. In summary, SOXL's performance could see an immediate boost from this positive momentum, but caution is advised for those considering longer-term implications given the volatility of leveraged investments. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support may be found at $26.39 and $24.79. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was indicated from a pivot top point on Monday, July 21, 2025, and the price has since decreased by 1.71%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 7 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 153 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 56 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, this exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.11 and $21.64. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the ETF may then decline to the next support level. In this case, SOXL has support just below the current level at $25.11. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.64 and $20.58. This ETF exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.66 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.26%. For the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.92%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $27.29. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $25.11. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.84, which represents a decrease of 4.42%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal that emerged from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for SOXL ETF to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 30th of July, we anticipate that SOXL will open higher by 0.2% and begin trading at $27.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.